Velcro brand. Industrial strength. Heavy duty. 8 strips. 4-inch by 2-inch stick-on. Holds up to 10 pounds. Velcro brand product categories. General purpose. Heavy duty. Ties, straps. For fabrics. Garden. Original thinking. Industrial strength fasteners. Heavy duty, water resistant adhesive provides superior holding power. Designed to adhere to most surfaces, including plastics. Water resistant, more holding power, peel and stick. Perfect for your garage or basement. 1. Clean. 2. Peel. 3. Stick. 4. Done. Holds up to 1 pound per square inch. Total weight not to exceed 10 pounds. Operating temperature 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. For complete product, visit velcro.com. Manufactured in the United States with imported materials. Velcro.com. Velcro USA Incorporated. 95 Sundial Avenue, Manchester, New Hampshire, 03103. RFC VME 950210761. US RN 77881.